Hey guys, how's it going? How to use the Roblox developer forums. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Roblox. Okay, if you don't have one, just sign up for Roblox account and ensure that you meet the community guidelines or the eligibility requirements. Usually need to be 13 plus. Confirm your email address to gain full access and visit the developer.roblox.com. We're gonna just type right here developer, right, .roblox.com, and then basically browse through the categories like announcements, scripting, game design, etc. to find relevant discussions. Use the search bar to find specific topics or issues. Click on the new topics to ask questions or share your work. Be sure to follow the forum rules, and then respond to others' posts, offer help, and share your insights. Remember to be respectful and follow the forum guidelines. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for